The one bait that you want, especially you apartment owners out there that are trying to take care of this yourself for German cockroaches, I'm going to tell you what that is. Stay tuned.
Check this out. Check this out. Check this out. Check this out.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Craig here again, howtopest.com. And I told you in the intro, I'm going to give you that one bait if you're an apartment owner out there and you need to do this yourself, or if you're just a homeowner. But I'm specifically talking to those apartment owners today because sometimes they are so frustrated. Why are they frustrated? They call us because they don't have control of the pest control that goes on in their units. It's dealt with from the property management company, and they could get a great pest control or they could get a truck. And I'm talking one that just sprays and goes, guys, and does not take care of the problem. You could have a neighbor in your apartment complex, your condominium complex, because you have adjoining walls that they are a complete slob, and you're clean and you've done everything you can, but those German roaches are running rampant. Well, that's because you know, as well as I know, they're coming through the walls and infiltrating your apartment. You've tried to call the property management company. They're not doing jack squat about it. And you are frustrated. You can't sleep. Your food is being destroyed. It's a nightmare on your psyche. What are you going to do? Well, you're going to take the bait that I'm going to give you right now, and you're going to apply that bait the way I tell you, and you're not going to have to worry about the property management company sending out that pest control who's doing absolutely nothing and telling you, you just got to wait. Well, no, you don't have to wait. You're going to take matters into your own hands. And what are you going to do? You are going to get Vendetta Nitro. I do not have that in my hand right now. I forgot to grab it, but we're going to put that right up on my left or my right-hand side, however this camera does that, and we're going to show you Vendetta Nitro. Where can you get it? Howtopest.com, of course. We got it all for you guys. But once you go over there and you order that Vendetta Nitro, and it comes in what's called a clamshell, it basically means there's 4 different syringes in there with a plunger. So it looks like a doctor's shot. And then it's going to come with tips that you take the cap off. You screw the tip on of choice. Choice does not matter. It has a plastic tip and it has a metal tip. The metal tip is a little bit longer, I think, and it'll just get back into tighter cracks and crevices. I'll explain that in a minute, but just put the tip of choice on. And now I'm going to tell you how to go to town to get rid of those roaches. So you've probably been so frustrated that I'm going to assume you've already got everything but the kitchen sink you've thrown at this. So you've gone to your hardware store and grabbed a spray, Raid, whatever. You've even put bleach on the counter. You've tried it all. Well, when you use this Vendetta bait, this is what we need to be careful, or you need to be careful. You don't want to contaminate the bait. The bait is a food. The roaches are attracted to this bait. So if you have put any of those things I just talked about, or ones I have not talked about, up on the areas that you're going to bait, they got to be thoroughly cleaned. But let's say you don't know and you can't thoroughly clean everything. I got a tip for you. We are going to take cardboard strips and you're going to put the bait on the cardboard strips so it's not contaminated. You don't want poison on your pizza. They don't want poison on their food. That's as simple as it is. If you do that, I don't care what bait you use. Vendetta Nitro, which is fantastic, or any other bait out there, it's not going to work. So Vendetta Nitro, you're going to take your plunger. You're going to take your syringe. You're going to take the cap off, like I said. You're going to put on the tip of your choice. Now you're going to go around to that kitchen area. Let's specifically talk kitchens right now. And you're going to treat the areas where the roaches hide. So if it's up on the counter and it's along the backsplash and the counter, you're going to take a little cardboard strip and you're going to put a pea-size dot on that strip, like the amount of like a pinhead. That's all it takes. You don't want a big clump of this stuff. They don't want it like that. The roaches are picky. It's weird, guys. But you're going to put multiple out. So you'll put one strip, a couple like a foot down, you'll put another strip. Now, do you have a microwave on the countertop? You're going to flip that bad boy around, and you want to get that gel bait on those little cracks and crevices of the vents back there because they hide back there. So if you have to put it directly in there, that's fine. You're not putting it in the microwave where you cook. You're on the back where the motor is and all the components. Put a couple dots in there and then flip it back around. Again, be cognizant if you've sprayed or treated any of these areas, you can't put the bait on there. You're not going to have success or be happy. But if you follow my steps, within a couple days to a week, you're going to have this roach population knocked down. Now, behind refrigerators, let's get back to where we're putting this. You do want to get it behind that refrigerator. Roll it out. I know it's tough sometimes, and get a little bit back there. Put it on the cardboard strip. Put it around the condensation pan that's behind there. You got to do some work, but remember, that pest control that comes out, if he's a truck, he's not doing work. He's dropping a couple little dots of bait down if you're lucky, and he's hitting you with a little perimeter spray and telling you see in 30 or 60, and you still got roaches. So it's obviously not working. So you need to take matters into your own hands, and that's going to be where that Vendetta Nitro comes in. Why is Vendetta Nitro so fantastic? Two reasons, guys. It has dual action in it. It not only has the bait that they are going to take back to the nest and they are going to share with each other, but it has what's called an IGR, an insect growth regulator. This does not kill the roaches. So if you put an IGR out by itself, it is not killing the roaches. They will live their life cycle out. They just can't reproduce. That's where it's coming into play. These roaches are no longer going to be able to produce, stopping the population cycle. So let's say they're coming from next door. Well, you've IGR'd them too. So you're going to go back and you're going to help your neighbor out who's not helping you out. Okay? So the IGR and the actual pesticide that's going to kill off the roaches. Now, how else does it kill them? Not only do they eat that and they share it with each other, let's say a roach eats it and he dies, and then the other roach eats that roach, which they do. You've watched videos of ours, and I've watched them nibbling on each other. Go watch that live video shot that we have on live roaches. They eat each other. They're freaking nasty, guys. It'll kill them that way too. So it just keeps killing. It's a great bait. It's just a fantastic clean out bait. I can't say enough good things about Vendetta baits, but start with the Vendetta Nitro. Why are there so many other Vendettas, so many other baits? If you've watched enough of our videos, these baits aren't bad. You have to rotate. They have a different bait matrix in them. So if you constantly have to do this and you're constantly putting out Vendetta Nitro, it's eventually going to stop working for you because they'll build up a resistance. So if that is the case, then get yourself 2 or 3 different types of baits and rotate them like every 3 months. You don't need to go extreme and rotate them every time you put them out. Every 3 months, you're fine. You could probably go 6 months and be good to go. Now let's get back to that Vendetta Nitro. Dishwashers. When you open that dishwasher, and I'm not talking inside where you put your dishes, I'm talking the cracks between the 2 countertops that it wedges in between. You want bait in there. Roaches are notorious for going between dishwashers because it's warm, it's moist, all the good things that they like, guys. So get some bait back in there, whether it's on the walls of the cabinets or on the walls of the dishwasher. If you need to put it on cardboard strips and slide it underneath, do that. Now, another area are the hinges of doors, like the cabinets. When you open those, they hide in those hinges. So get a couple dots in there on those hinges. Toasters, another big one, man. The crumbs on the toasters. Flip that toaster upside down and get some underneath there. Those are the areas that's going to be hard to put them on cardboard strips, but they're not going to affect you, so you don't really have to worry about it. So put them on those areas. If you need to go down low on the baseboards, same things. You need to be cognizant of your pets. If you have cats in those apartments, dogs, or even children, guys, you got to keep it out of sight, out of mind where they can't get to it. So if it is on those cardboard strips, make sure that the pets can't get to it and the kids cannot get to it, and then you'll be perfectly fine. Now, when you're done, you can take those cardboard strips and just toss them in the trash. But if you want to let them ride, because like I said, they're out of sight and they're not bothering you, let them ride. That bait will hold up for months. It'll just hold up and keep killing and killing. But we're trying to get you to a point where you're not constantly killing. Now, I can't control your neighbors, so if they're just constant slobs,
like a chubby 9-year-old slob,
and you constantly have roaches from them, you're just going to be on the warpath taking care of it for your neighbors. But it is what it is. You got to do what you're doing when you're living in those apartment complexes, those condos, and you don't have control of the full perimeter of the house, and you're relying on everybody else to take care of pest control and their trucks. Like I said, they're not doing a good job for you. So Vendetta Plus, it's going to help you out, man. Make sure you clean. Make sure you're not, sloppy too. and then put that Vendetta out. Don't let it compete with other things, other pesticides, other bleaches, things like that, and you'll start wiping these things out. Vendetta is also fantastic if you guys have any allergens out there, or your family members do, like peanut allergies, things like that. It doesn't have that, so it's not going to affect people that have those allergies. That's another plus of the Vendetta Nitro. But like I said, MGK makes a couple different Vendettas out there. We rotate them through. We like other ones too, guys. I like Advian. I mean, there's some other ones. There's Max Force. You got to rotate. That's why there's so many out there. But if you're going to go through or just getting after it, and you need to really go to town on this thing, then Vendetta Nitro is where you want to start. That's it, guys. Baits are simple. Put them out. Don't contaminate them. They're a food. You don't want poison on the food. I can't say that enough. Otherwise, you're going to be like, hey, Craig told me to put this out. It's not working. It's not working because you're not following my directions. You're contaminating the bait. So do not contaminate the bait. Put it in those areas we talked about. If there's other areas I have not mentioned, yes, it can go there. I pretty much talked about kitchens today. But if these German roaches have gotten so bad and they're out in other areas, then by all means, go to town on the other areas. It doesn't matter. Just keep them away from the pets and the kids, and you are going to be good to go. And I guarantee you're going to get roach free. And your neighbor won't thank you, but you're helping him out too, because he's already a slob and doesn't care, obviously. That's it, guys. Vendetta Plus, howtopest.com is where you can grab that stuff and many other products out there. Appreciate all the likes out there, guys, the thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel. We shoot these videos out. They come out 7 days a week. The long forms, like I'm doing right now, they come out 3 days a week, so we're always shooting you new information. If there's anything you would like to see that I have not talked about, I'm happy to hear those suggestions. Go ahead and shoot them over to me in the comment section down below, and I'd be happy to put a video together and help you out. But if you have a question, we can just answer that via email for you, or just give us a call on the phone. One of the ladies at the office, they'll help you out. That's it, guys. Have a fantastic day. Craig here again, howtopest.com.